Hey everybody! So we are going to do a prepper pantry meal tonight because it's freezing cold. So we're going to have vegetable beef soup, the Bear Creek brand, and I'm going to add a jar of home canned beef to it, juice and all. So I've already started my water this time. This takes 8 cups of water. And you can take everything off your pantry shelf for this. And I will be adding a can of mixed vegetables just from looking at this. So 8 cups of water, your soup mix. I'm going to open this jar. I'm going to add it broth and all. Rinse all those beefy bits out of there. Stir that up. This makes a lot of soup. So I'm going to let this simmer for 15 minutes, I think is the usual. $10 minutes. And if you wanted to, you could add some tomato sauce, a can of tomato sauce. I added the beef, and I will probably add some can of mixed vegetables. So I will see you when we get to that point. Okay, I pulled a can of California style vegetable and bean blend from the pantry. And we are going to add that. Drained it off. That's what it looks like. So the corn, carrots, green beans. A few beans in there. Looks good. And these have 3 grams of protein in that can of veggies. And you could easily feed the whole family with this pot of soup. So I'm just going to continue to let it simmer, and I will see you when we are plating it up. Our soup is about ready, and if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and I do all sorts of things over here. Dehydrating, sun oven cooking, emergency cooking, prepper pantry meals, canning, did I say dehydrating? All kinds of stuff. So anyways, if you're like me and you can taste the preserved kind of thing in packaged foods, add a little bit of sugar. It won't make it sweet, but it will get rid of that funny flavor. So I'm going to add about a half a tablespoon. And you can also add a little bit of the Knorr beef bouillon if you want to beef it up more. We don't eat a lot of pre-made food, so I can really taste the I don't know if it's the preservatives or what, but yeah, that helps a lot. So a half to 1 tablespoon of sugar, and that should balance that out a little better, and it will not be sweet. So here's our soup. Let's scoop some up and see how it is. And we have meat, we have some pasta, we have our veggies that we added. So let's see what we got here. Trying to make my bite to where I can get a little bit of everything. This is smoking hot. I always burn my mouth when I do this. So we got some pea, got a noodle, piece of meat, a carrot, It's really good, and that meat and those vegetables are really nice. So there you go, you guys. A can of vegetables, a can of your home canned beef, and a package of beef and vegetable soup. You got a nice meal, and you don't have to add any of the extras to it. I just wanted to beef it up a little bit. Super cold here tonight. It's going to be 15 degrees. At least it's above zero instead of like last winter it was below, 15 below. So yeah, just another thing you can do right out of the pantry, and it's yummy, it's beefy, it's veggie, and good. So I hope you all are well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay warm, because this is all over the country right now. So I will see you soon in the next video.